Hi guys, it's Michaela and I am back to film an Ugg Collection video for you guys. This video was requested by a few people, so I decided to do it. A little disclaimer, I am not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to show you guys my collection and my thoughts on Uggs. So I have 5 pairs of Uggs. I have 2 sequins, 2 bows, and like a Bailey bow triplet, and I absolutely love Uggs. They are so comfortable and warm. I love them to death. I got my first pair in Christmas time in the 8th grade, and I'm currently a sophomore right now, which means I'm in the 10th grade. And then after that, I got the rest of my Uggs. So my thoughts on Uggs: they're very warm, they're comfortable. Yes, they are quite expensive, but they're worth the money. So that's all my thoughts on Uggs. My Uggs were purchased from Journeys, Tony Walker, and Zappos.com, and a store called 5th Avenue off 5th Saks Avenue, if you guys are familiar with that store. I don't know. So that's all I have to say. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and leave down comments below. And I'm going to model my Uggs and show you guys the Uggs that I have, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. And the order of the Uggs
Danthology.
Second, minute, hour, bigger, better, stronger, power. Throw it up, or should I fall out? Throw it up, that's how we fall out.
Oh, you're gonna stay. I need to be free with you tonight.
Tonight is the night.
If I lose myself tonight, it'll be mine.
Far away, too far away, but we can get back yesterday. We'll be young right now, we got it right now. Sum it up right now. All we got is right now.
You've been high and you're feeling low.
The peace of
Only hate the road when you're missing home.